What's up guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to charge your V6 smartwatch. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to charge your V6 smartwatch. Alright guys, so let's just try to remove the strap here. So as you can see, there are no pins, and alright, there are no pins, so it's not the same with other smartwatches that we had. So all we have to do guys is we are going to find this area here. So this is opposite the crown here, so there's like a small micro USB port. So all you have to do is just charge it here. It's my first time to have this kind of smartwatch, because we usually had before like it's already connected here, so the pins are already on this edge, but in this case it is embedded on this smartwatch. So let's get our power bank and let's charge it. Okay, so this is our charging cord, and let's connect it and let's charge this guys. And boom, it is already charging. Okay, I'm going to wait for like how many minutes can we charge it. So let's leave it for around 1 hour or 2 hours, and let's get it back later on. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.